Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to set up a celebration using the DrawNames Secret Santa app. Now if you want to set up a celebration using the DrawNames app but didn't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the DrawNames. So if you have not installed the DrawNames app, you need to install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, you just need to open the DrawNames app, and at the very home page you will see the option of celebration, gift finder, wish list, and menu at the very bottom. So in this celebration section, you will see a pop-up which says set up a celebration, start drawing names, start creating with list, or join an existing celebration. So click on the option of start drawing names, and from here you just need to enter your name. You just need to enter the other party's name, and you may also simply keep on adding like this with the number of friends which you have. And from here you just need to click on the option of continue, and it also asks you if you want to exclude certain draws. So if you want to exclude, click on the option of no exclusion or set exclusion. So click on the option of continue after this, and it also asks you what are you drawing names for. You will see the option of Secret Santa, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year Eve, and all of it. So you may simply select the option which you think is good for you. So you just need to select when you are celebrating this. So I'll simply select the option of this, and it also asks how much should people spend. So select the option wisely and click on the option of continue like this. And from here you may also share the invitation through text, email, or any other app, or you may click on the option go to celebration like this. So as you can see, this is the Christmas 2025 celebration which I have set up currently. So that's it. That's how you can set up a celebration. And you may also add a wish list, like you may simply add gifts which you like to add, and you may also select the genders like male and female, and you may select the age and click on the option of continue. And here they will find you the gift according to your age, and you may simply add it like this. So that's it. That's how you can set up a celebration on DrawNames. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.